Welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn, to live your life on your own terms. Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn Academy. And today in this video, we are going to talk about banking correspondents. Who are banking correspondents? And why do banking correspondents form an important part of our Indian financial system? So in this video, you are going to learn all about that. So if you like this video, you can press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this on social media. Help us to spread education in this beautiful world. Now, why is this exactly in news? Now, the government is planning to make all 2.9 lakh common service centers as banking correspondents. Currently, common service centers operate under Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Now, what are common service centers? Now, common service centers are places where you get different kinds of government services at one place. So, the government is planning to change or to bring a new element of banking correspondence. So, this common service centers will also act as banking correspondents. So, let us learn in this video and understand what exactly and who are banking correspondents. So, let's see. Now, these are the individuals, these are the entities engaged by banks in India for providing banking services in unbanked and underbanked geographical territories. Now, what are the two most important words you need to understand from this slide? First is unbanked. So, any place where there is no presence of bank. Underbank. Underbank means a place where there are not sufficient number of banks. So in these places, these individuals or entities act as a medium on behalf of banks in India, for interacting with people, for providing banking services on behalf of banks. So these people are connecting links between bank and the people who have never seen a bank actually. So they have a very big responsibility. Now they work as an agent of the bank and the substitute for the brick and mortar branch of the bank. What do you understand by brick and mortar? Brick and mortar means the physical buildings which you see of the banks and the corporate uh, areas in big cities, states. Even in small cities, you will see many bank branches. But there are places in our country where there are still no bank branches, or there are very less number of banks. These are the places where these banking correspondents acts as agents of banks and spread the knowledge, the information, the banking services among the people. So they are messengers of the banks in India. They engage in identification of borrowers. So these are the people who will understand, they will talk to you, they will interact and see if you have any requirement of a loan. Where? In rural areas, in places where there are no banks. They collect the preliminary processing of loan applications, including verification of primary information data. So these are the people who will collect the loan applications, they will check and verify the data on behalf of banks. Now, they create awareness about savings and other products and education and advice on managing money and debt counseling. Now, can you imagine a place where there is no bank, people having knowledge about banking? Obviously, there will be no knowledge. So, these banking correspondents are the people who have a very important responsibility of educating people about saving and other products. So, they not only provide services, they also impart education. Such an important role is played by a banking correspondent. In fact, they are much more important than the people who work inside bank. These are the people who are the real people who are working on ground on behalf of banks. They also help in processing and submission of applications to the banks. promoting, nurturing, and monitoring self help groups, joint liability groups, credit groups. Now, in villages, you will find women coming together in a group of 8 to 10 and forming self-help group, farmers coming together forming joint liability group, credit groups, small groups who want to take loans from banks. Now these are the people who live in rural areas, people who live in areas where there is no connectivity. These are the places where the banking correspondents go interact with these groups and understand their requirement, their needs, and then bring that connectivity of these people to the branches, to the banks. So I think this is a very important role which is being played. They also help in post sanction monitoring and follow up for recovery. In case of any loan which has not been paid on time, they go and recover that as well. Disbursal of small value credit and recovery of principal, collection of interest. So, on the behalf of bank, if there is a loan disbursement in a rural area where there are no branches, they will go and give the loan of small amount of credit. They will also help in collecting of the principal and the collection of interest, collection of small value deposits, sale of micro insurance, mutual fund products, pension products, and third party products, receipt and delivery of small value remittance and other payment instruments. The banks in India may engage the following individuals, entities as banking correspondents. So, who are the people who are recruited who have this important responsibility of being the banking correspondent? These are the individuals like retired bank employees, retired teachers, retired government employees, individual owners of kirana small shops, medical fair price shop, agents of small saving schemes of government of India, insurance companies, individuals who own petrol pumps, any person who wants to impart education and be a banking correspondent can. So such an important position of these people in the society. NGOs, microfinance institutions set up under the Society Trust Act as Section 25. Registered cooperative societies, post offices, companies registered under the Indian Company Act 2013 with large and widespread retail outlets, non-deposit taking NBFCs. So I hope this video would have given you a lot of insight, knowledge and information about banking correspondent who play a very important role in the financial activity in the country. They are a source of uh, interconnection between banks and the people who have never seen banking actually. So they are the most important people when we talk about empowering people, when we talk about connecting the people to the real India. So we should definitely uh, think about the kind of contribution which these people are giving towards developing our nation, and we should all salute them and appreciate their good work. So if you like this video, you can press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it on social media. Help us to spread education in this beautiful world. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.